Check out this handmade Tulip Scrunchie. It basically comes with its own soft focus filter. Here's the tutorial so you can level up your spring aesthetics. Right sides together. Press seam open. Fold sew long edge. Turn right side out. Thread elastic. Tie knots, trim excess. Sew the openings. Gather and set aside. Right sides together. Press seam, fold, sew 0.5 centimeters from edge. Turn right side out. Stuff with filling. Sewing center. Fold and sew the other cent. Done with one bud, make the second the same way. Tie buds to the scrunchie, and you're all set. How cute is that? Perfect for a sunny spring day. If you make one,